Think you need a suitcase for a month-long trip? Think again. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I pack for 30 days of travel, all in one carry-on bag. From smart clothing choices to space-saving essentials, this is how to travel light without missing a thing. Before we zip up and hit the road, don't forget to like and subscribe for more minimalist packing tips and stress-free travel guides. 1. Lightweight backpack only. Choose a 35-liter backpack to limit overpacking and keep your load easy to carry long distances. Look for padded straps and breathable mesh back panels to support comfort during long walk days. Opt for clamshell opening designs to access everything easily without digging through the contents. Select water-resistant materials and hidden compartments to add durability and security when traveling. Keep weight under 20 pounds so you can carry it on airplanes and avoid checked luggage altogether. Use packing cubes to compress clothes tightly and make efficient use of all available interior space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them so they fit tighter and stay wrinkle-free for longer trips. 2. Versatile clothing choices. Pack 3 t-shirts, 2 pairs of pants, 1 pair of shorts, and 2 quick-dry shirts for versatility. Choose neutral colors like black, navy, and beige to mix and match easily for endless outfit combos. Opt for synthetic or merino wool fabrics that dry quickly, resist odor, and stay comfortable in heat. Bring 1 set of sleepwear and 1 outfit that can double as active wear or a swimsuit when needed. Add a compact rain jacket that packs into itself and works for wind protection in cooler areas too. Include a thin sweater or fleece layer for warmth that rolls up tight and fits in your packing cube. Limit undergarments to 4 pairs and rotate daily, washing by hand or using hostile laundry options. 3. Compact footwear setup. Bring just 2 pairs of shoes total, 1 walking shoe and 1 lightweight sandal or slide for relaxing. Use multi-purpose walking shoes that look casual enough for city travel and rugged enough for trails. Avoid boots unless your entire trip is hiking focused. They are heavy and take up lots of space. Consider barefoot-style shoes or foldable slip-ons if you need something light to wear in hostels. Place shoes in reusable shower caps or cloth bags to keep them from touching your clean clothes. Tuck socks or other small items inside the shoes to maximize space and avoid wasted packing gaps. Bring sandals that are waterproof and suitable for beach, showers, or casual evenings out in cities. 4. Minimal toiletry kit. Use a zippered TSA-approved clear bag and carry only essentials in travel-size bottles under 100 ml. Bring solid shampoo bars, soap sheets, and toothpaste tablets to reduce leaks and save liquid space. Pack a small folding toothbrush, comb, floss picks, and deodorant stick to keep hygiene compact. Include nail clippers, tweezers, and a small sewing kit for emergencies or personal care on the go. Limit skincare to basics: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen in mini refillable containers. Bring prescription medications in labeled bags and keep a copy of the script for customs or backups. Carry travel tissues, a pack of wet wipes, and a small microfiber towel that dries fast and folds small. 5. Digital essentials only. Carry a smartphone with offline maps, translation apps, and itinerary storage for easy reference. Include a universal travel adapter that works in every country and charges multiple devices at once. Pack a small power bank with at least 10,000 mAh to recharge your phone during long travel days. Use a single USB cable with multi-device tips instead of bringing separate cords for everything. Bring compact wireless earbuds or wired earphones with a splitter for movies or shared audio. Avoid laptops unless essential. Tablets with keyboards are more travel-friendly and compact. Install cloud backup apps like Google Drive or Dropbox for photos, tickets, and important scans. 6. Essential travel documents only. Carry a passport, driver license, travel insurance card, and only 1 credit or debit card with you. Make paper copies of each document and store them in a Ziploc in case your digital access fails. Email yourself all important booking numbers and flight confirmations to access anytime offline. Use a document sleeve or travel wallet to keep tickets, ID, and cards safe and easy to access fast. Avoid carrying your national ID card unless required and leave extra loyalty cards at home. Consider using RFID blocking sleeves or wallets to prevent card skimming in crowded areas. Do not bring your checkbook, multiple cards, or unnecessary business papers to save weight. 7. Lightweight first aid kit. Include bandages, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, and allergy tablets in a compact mini pouch. Bring only what you need for minor issues and replenish at local pharmacies if supplies run low. Pack blister pads, hydrocortisone cream, and any regular medication you rely on daily or weekly. Add motion sickness pills or ginger tablets if you are sensitive to rides, boats, or long flights. Include diarrhea tablets and rehydration salts for emergencies when food or water causes illness. Use a pill organizer to portion out vitamins, meds, and pain relievers instead of large bottles. Bring a small thermometer and one pair of medical gloves in case of injury during your journey. 8. Personal comfort items. Bring a travel pillow that compresses into a pouch or inflatable version to save space when packed. Include a sleep mask and earplugs to rest on flights, buses, or noisy dorm rooms in hostels abroad. Use a foldable tote bag or ultralight day pack for short outings when you leave your big bag behind. Pack a collapsible water bottle you can refill throughout the day to stay hydrated while exploring. Consider a microfiber towel that dries fast and folds into the size of a small paperback for showers. Bring a compact notebook or travel journal for notes, reflections, or daily to-do lists offline. Use a scarf or buff that works as a fashion item, head wrap, blanket, or even eye mask when needed. 9. Multi-use accessories only. Bring a sarong or large scarf that can be used as a towel, blanket, wrap, skirt, or beach mat. Choose sunglasses with hard cases or foldable ones to prevent damage during daily transport. Include a belt that doubles as a money pouch or storage for emergency cash or flat essentials. Wear a watch with multiple time zones and alarms to help you adjust in different regions easily. Use a buff or headband that covers your face in dusty places and also works as sweat protection. Avoid packing jewelry or flashy accessories that attract attention or increase theft risks. Bring one hat that provides sun protection and rolls into your bag without losing its shape. 10. Laundry on the go. Use a flat laundry soap sheet pack or travel-size detergent tube that works even in cold water. Pack a sink stopper and rubber clothes line so you can wash and dry clothes in your bathroom. Use a dry bag or compression cube to separate dirty clothes until laundry day without smell. Bring a microfiber towel to roll dry damp clothes to speed up the air drying process overnight. Avoid hotels or hostels without laundry access unless you are okay hand washing all your clothes. Wash 1 or 2 pieces daily to keep your load light and avoid doing large batches of laundry. Travel with darker clothing that hides stains or wear and tear and dries faster after each wash. Less really is more when it comes to smart travel. Which item could you never leave behind? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you rethink the way you pack, be sure to like and subscribe for more travel hacks, minimalist gear tips, and efficient ways to explore the world with less. More light travel strategies are coming soon.